Step by step to send money from the United States to Mexico using Wise. First, open the official Wise website or download the application on your device. Enter your email and password or use biometrics to log into your account. On the home screen, click on the Send or Send Money button in the main menu. Select the source currency as US dollar USD for payment in the United States. Choose the destination currency as Mexican peso MXN for receipt in Mexico. Enter the exact amount in dollars you want to send, or the amount in pesos the recipient should receive. Check the platform conversion fees, which use the commercial exchange rate in real time. Review the estimated delivery times and U.S. payment options, such as a CH transfer bank, wire, or debit card. Click the green Continue button to proceed with your transfer configuration. Select the Add a Recipient option on the screen displayed by the system. Choose if the recipient in Mexico is another person, a company, or yourself. Enter the recipient full name exactly as it appears on their identity document. Enter the recipient bank details by providing their claim number, which is exactly 18 digits long. Review carefully all transfer data and the final amount on the system summary screen. Click the button to confirm and select your preferred US dollar payment method. Enter your American bank account details or complete the transaction via your card details. Wait a few minutes or up to one business day because the money will be automatically routed to the Mexican bank account.